Hello guys, nice to meet you here. In this video, I will show how to install a brush lantern. First, on the back, there will be 5 parts inside: a tizer shell, a button of lantern, an iron shell, a lantern, a small package containing a bead and 2 hooks. First of all, you need to put the bead string on top of the tizer. String the tizer through the bottom of the lantern. And then tie a knot. And string it on the garden hook so that it will be not fall off. Then put this part on the bottom of the lantern. And finally, put the iron rod into the lantern inside. Put it up. It's installed.